Good morning, guys. We are still in Manali. So, we waited last night so that roads can get cleared near Atal Tunnel. But it didn't because of heavy snowfall in that area. And we just doesn't wanted to get stuck uh, in a snowstorm in that area actually. It will be like very miserable. So we decided to stay back in Manali in a homestay. Prerna's friend. He has a homestay, so we are staying here. And guess what? It started like snowing heavily at night, and we woke up to this beautiful landscape. Like this is just like amazing, and yeah, it's something like very dreamy, very uh, like something different world. This snow world. And this kind of snow was needed because this is the first snowfall of the season, and it was almost like got delayed by 2 months. So yeah, it's a good thing. It's snowing so heavily. It's really good thing, and we also have a job, so we want to finish it on time. We are just hoping the roads will be open towards Keylong. So that's our destination actually. And the more delay, we have less window to go and do what we wanted. And we are here on a project, me and Kiran and Prerna. We three are we are here for a project, and we doesn't want to miss any of the window, but can't help. It's snowing, so we're just waiting. Yeah, it's been just a day, and you might think, yeah, it's just a snowfall, it will just get over in a day or something. But people who have never experienced snow or never got stuck in a snowstorm, it will be very difficult for you to understand. Like back in 2019, me and Kiran, when we were in uh, himachal, like especially in Spiti, we got stuck in a snowstorm for 7 days. Anyways, we were there for a month, so it was the first 7 days. The day we reached Spiti, it started snowing, so it was not a problem for us. It became very miserable, and like you have to walk on the snow. Everything gets kind of, shoes and all gets wet. Dry it again. Like it's it's fun actually. uh, I shouldn't have used the word miserable. It's completely wrong, but it's also fine. like you know you'll get bored of it, and yeah, that's it. So today is what, like, Feb 1st. We are still in Manali. Let's see, let's hope for the best. What our day looks like next, so we'll keep you updated. See you, not see you, see you here or somewhere in Manali. So yeah.
की प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, तो ये लोग बैंगलोर में बेस्ड आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर, एंड दे ही इज़ नॉट, थोड़ा दूर से है, बट दे मेक फिल्म्स. एडवेंचर इज देयर, लाइक पैशन, बट अदरवाइज या फुल पावर.
तब तो ठीक है.
बहुत से काम किया इन लोगों ने. तो ये तो हमारे साथ बहुत टाइम से आ रहा है आइसलैंडिंग करने. एंड सुधीर, जब मैं KYC गई थी, कौन से साल में गए थे हम? 2021 में के किंग का यहाँ से सीन.
कहाँ से गिनी गई?
हाँ, तब हमारे साथ आया था. सुधीर, दैट्स वेयर वी मेट.
वहाँ शूट भी किया था?
हाँ.
अच्छा, प्रॉपर.
फिर क्लाइंट जा पाएंगे दिल्ली वापस?
अभी इनके लिए बस का प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. बस पता नहीं नीचे से जाएगी शायद कलात से.
अच्छा तो वहाँ पे बारिश हो रही
हाँ
होगी।
मतलब उस तरफ नीचे नीचे को तो स्नो कम होता जाएगा ना, ऊपर तो ज़्यादा होगा, पर फिर 4x4 ही चलेगा।
यहाँ पर भी 4x4 ही चलती है
4x4
इस
चलेगा
road
इसके
पे?
बाद।
सच में? मतलब मेन रोड पे भी?
अभी इस वक्त 4x4 चलेगा, जैसे अगर ये बर्फ रुक गया ना,
तो साफ
मौसम
कर
साफ हो
देंगे।
गया, तब क्लियर, तब रोड क्लियर करते जाएंगे, तब पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि 2x2 चलेगा बस वाला, अदरवाइज 4x4 ही चलेगा इस वक्त तो। और अभी क्लियर करेंगे नहीं क्योंकि अभी पड़ रहा है, देखो साथ में
हाँ।
ये पड़ रहा है, पढ़ते जाएगा
तो
पढ़ते
पड़ता
जाएगा,
है।
फिर और बढ़ते जाएगा ये।
तो ये अभी इतनी बर्फ मनाली में पिछली बार भी पड़ी थी,
लास्ट से इतनी नहीं पड़ी थी,
है ना?
लास्ट से इतनी
मनाली में
ज़्यादा
नहीं पड़ी थी।
इतनी नहीं पड़ी, पड़ी तो थी, 4 इंच तक पड़ी थी, ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ी थी। अब ये इस बार तो देखो काफ़ी ज़्यादा, फर्स्ट स्नोफॉल में इसने काफ़ी दे दिया। ज़रूर भी
पड़ी रही
हाँ,
है,
इस
तीसरा
चीज़
दिन है ये।
में-
कब तक बैठेगी ये स्नो, फिर कब तक टिकलेगी ये?
ये तो रहेगा, अगर जैसे अभी 1 फीट भर पड़ गया
हाँ।
तो रोड्स तो चलो क्लियर हो जाएंगे 15-20 दिन में, 10-15 दिन में क्लियर हो जाएगा रोड्स। उसके बाद फिर ऊपर ऊपर तो रहेगा, मतलब टूरिस्टों के लिए तो स्नो पॉइंट्स वगैरह तो बना रहेगा, उनके लिए तो बना रहेगा।
The tamper.
Yeah, the
So
same thing
cool.
becomes the damper.
How's the reviews on these this coffee? Listen, this
I like it.
if I buy coffee from these guys, they will give me a pouch. Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have to coffee, I have to pouch. You want a pouch? You take one.
Yeah, it would be really nice. I would really
Take
love
a
it.
pouch.
I like these. I'm really a sucker for all these small stuff that you could just like carry with,
Reuse
no?
also,
Reuse,
yeah.
no? Really like it.
So then this cover lid goes on here.
Did Loki make coffee for me in the house with this?
No, that was the Pico Presso.
Pico Presso.
So
How
then he
many-
was like, I'm tired of pressing and I want like an electronic, like, because, you know, he's in the ship and he has like a lot of work to do and he gets busy. So it's like too tedious because even like, I think he's just tired of pushing it.
It takes some effort.
takes
I
some
saw.
effort, right?
Remember
Yeah.
when we were like pressing it?
Yeah,
pressing
because
it,
of the
it's like-
consistency of the, and he can't always find the right grind size. So now the water will go here.
Hot
and
water
then-
will go there.
Yeah. And then I'll show you the magic.
How do you feel about the weather? Like now, since we are not able to go as we planned to Keylong, how do you feel about it?
I'm kind of bummed that we can't head up to Keylong and see the snowfall from out there since we're stuck in Manali until the road closure opens up. It's keeping me from enjoying the snow as much as I would like, and I'm feeling a little anxious about all of the things we thought we would do once we're in Keylong. It's also in Keylong. It's so easy to go back to Keylong knowing that I'm going there because everything is there and we have like all of my warm clothes and all of the people and all the climbing, and even if we don't climb, I think doing things in Keylong is way more exciting than doing them in Manali.